Lowe's had a sale on this lawnmower, so I went ahead and bought it. 150 bucks, 60 volt, and thought I'd show you how it works. It works good, man. I did all this. I already had a one battery 60 volt on a weed eater I bought last year, and it worked real good. So here, let's see. You gotta push this button here. Whoop. Gotta do all this with one hand, I guess. And it's got a sensor. It can kind of tell when you're in heavy grass. See? Speed it up. I guess that's what it's doing. I don't know. Pretty light too. It's lightweight. Spin around pretty easy. One-handed here, holding a smartphone. Yep. There we go. Seems to work pretty good. I'm no expert on cordless lawnmowers, I can tell you that. First one I ever had. I figured the battery is worth probably 100 bucks. Alright, guess that's enough. Well, here, I guess you probably know where the battery's at. Right here. Alright, guess that's enough. Thanks for watching.